5 tips to create better spreadsheets in Excel. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple tips to help you create better spreadsheets in Excel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Start by using clear and consistent headings. Make your column titles bold and easy to read so your data is always understandable at a glance. Use Excel tables to organize your data. Tables automatically format your content and make filtering and sorting super easy. Apply conditional formatting to highlight important data. You can quickly spot trends, errors, or key values just by using color rules. Freeze the top row to keep headings visible. This is super helpful when you're working with large spreadsheets and scrolling down a lot. And finally, use formulas smartly. Functions like sum, average, if, and VLOOKUP can save you tons of time and reduce manual errors. Try these tips and watch your Excel skills level up fast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. That's all for the video.